Hello, in this video you will know why chia seeds are important for health. Chia seeds, a tiny yet powerful superfood packed with essential nutrients, are quickly becoming a staple in many health-conscious households. Chia seeds are a small but mighty superfood packed with a variety of health benefits. They are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain health and heart health, and chia seeds are an excellent plant-based source of these beneficial fats. Antioxidants help to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to the development of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Chia seeds are also high in fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. They are a great source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which means they can help to regulate blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and promote regular bowel movements. They are also known to be helpful for weight loss, as the high fiber content helps to keep you feeling full for longer, which can lead to a reduction in calorie intake. In addition to these beneficial compounds, chia seeds are also a good source of protein and minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. These minerals are essential for healthy bones and teeth, and can also help to regulate blood pressure. Chia seeds are also gluten-free and can be a great alternative for people with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. Chia seeds also have a number of practical uses in the kitchen. They can be used as a thickener for sauces, a substitute for eggs in baking, and can be added to smoothies or yogurt for a nutritional boost. They can also be made into chia pudding by soaking them in a liquid such as almond milk or yogurt. This creates a delicious, healthy breakfast option that is high in protein and fiber. Chia seeds can help with weight loss in several ways. High in fiber, chia seeds are high in fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full for longer periods of time, thus reducing your overall calorie intake. Slow digestion. The high fiber content in chia seeds also slows down the digestion process, which helps to keep blood sugar levels stable and prevent cravings. Hydrating. Chia seeds absorb liquid and expand in the stomach, which can help to suppress appetite and keep you feeling full. Low calorie. Chia seeds are low in calories, making them a great addition to any weight loss diet. Low glycemic index. Chia seeds have a low glycemic index, which means they are slowly absorbed into the bloodstream, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. This can help to prevent cravings and overeating. There are many ways to incorporate chia seeds into your diet. Some popular ways to eat chia seeds include: soaked in liquid. Soak chia seeds in a liquid such as water, almond milk, or yogurt to make a thick gel-like consistency. This can be eaten as a pudding or added to smoothies or oatmeal. Sprinkled on top of cereal or yogurt. Add a sprinkle of chia seeds on top of your cereal or yogurt for a boost of fiber and omega-3s. Baked into goods. Mix chia seeds into your batter when making muffins, breads or cakes for added nutrition and texture. Added to salad dressings and sauces. Mix chia seeds into salad dressings or sauces as a thickener. As an egg replacer, chia seeds can be used to replace eggs in recipes by mixing with water to create a gel-like consistency. As a smoothie bowl topper, sprinkle chia seeds on top of a smoothie bowl for added texture and nutrition. In conclusion, chia seeds are a highly nutritious food that can provide a wide range of health benefits. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber, which can help to promote brain and heart health, lower cholesterol, improve digestion, and aid in weight loss. They are also a good source of protein, minerals, and gluten-free. Their versatility in the kitchen makes them a great addition to your diet. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. For more informative videos, subscribe the channel, comment for any health related video. See you in the next video.